Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find these videos to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In this video, we are going to solve one more common mistake in Go language. To see the code for understand this problem, we have a two array of a string type, source and destination. In source, I slice these value and I just copy the source into destination and I display this destination, and you see that we do not have the value copy in this. You see this DST is empty. So this copy method is not able to copy this value into this. So what is the problem? You see, and sometimes we waste lot of time in Go language for solve such kind of problem. We have the same array, we slice here, this is also there, and it is a slice also, and we are just slicing a value, and this we are not able to copy. Why? And how we can solve this problem? Problem is that we have not given this variable as a memory, but here we have initialized source with this line of code. So we have to give a memory. So we have to say dst equal to make then int of array type, then we have to give here the length of src. You see, so length of this 3 variable, the space I want to give to 3. Then if I copy this, I will have the same result. You see, this method is able to copy now. The source is copied to destination, but after initializing a memory. You see, we have initialized the slice of 3 to this dst, then we are able to modify this value. If I remove this, you see, again we have the blank. So this function is not generating any error, but is not able to copy the element or the value from this slices to this slice. One more way you can do this thing. How you can do this? So just remove this one, and we can use dst equal to append, and here dst, and we say src dot dot dot. So like this we can also do the same effect. You see, the same we can achieve the same task by using append function also, but we have to use here dot dot dot, then it will initialize the memory to this one. Otherwise, if I want to use a copy, then we have to give a special memory to this, any number of byte which you want to give. So here we want to give the size 3, that's why we have calculated the length of src. So like these two ways you can solve such kind of problems where copy is missing. So that's all in this video, and if you really like this video, kindly subscribe my channel, promote my video, like my video, and thank you for watching this video.